Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ma'am, and my beloved parents. My name is Abel Ukail Hasanul Sakib. I am from 4 ICB 7. My attendance number is 1. Now I will convey my project task about scientific paper with title Learn to be Democratic with Simultaneous Election. The first point is about background of the problem. On February 14, 2024, there will be a simultaneous election in Indonesia. The simultaneous election is only permitted for age 17 and over or have an ID card. When the 2024 election, there will be the 5 ballot paper, the presidential ballot paper, and the DPR or legislative member ballot paper. The KPPS officer have an important role as helper and guarder at the polling station. The KPPS officer were actually exhausted when they were on duty helping and counting votes. So the 2024 election is almost the same as the election at the beginning of independence, which follow to parliamentary or liberal democracy, because it gives every citizen the freedom for choose their president, vice presidents, and also the legislative member. So that many people often mocking and elbow each other between parties and their own member. The next point, there's the research question. Number 1 is how to carry out simultaneous election with overflowing and fair. And number 2, what is democracy appropriate to implement in the 2029 election? Next, there is the research purpose. 1. To know how to carry out simultaneous election with overflowing and fair. Number 2, to know appropriate democracy to implement in the 2029 election. The next part is the research methodology. There is 2 parts: the research techniques and place and time of research. First, the research techniques. This research uses literature study. To find data on literacy studies can refer to books or research journal. And this research called the qualitative research. Next, the place and time of research. This research was conducted at Mino Pucang Sidoarjo. The research time is came at the event precisely at the 15th March 2024 until April 5, 2024. Next, the discussion with the number 1, how to carry out time. Next, in the next part, there is the research methodology. The first point of the research methodology, there is the research techniques. This research is research used literature study to find data on literacy studies. We can refer to book or research journal, and this research called qualitative research. Next, there's the discussion. The number 1 about how to carry simultaneous election with overflowing and fair. To discuss this issue, we will try to collect the following data. The first point, many legislative member doesn't care with citizen, and many legislative member do corruption. Number 2, point 2, candidates of legislative member chosen by leader of political parties. So they prioritizing the leader of political parties. Next, the third point, to carry out simultaneous election, we will with overflowing and fair, the candidate of legislative member must be selected first. In order the legislative member be quality and knowledgeable. So Indonesian state become more developed. Next, the discussion number 2. What is democracy? What is democracy appropriate to implement in the 2029 election? The point is, the suitable democracy to implement in the 2029 election is Pancasila democracy, because the Pancasila democracy democratic system run by the state of Pancasila. Pancasila democracy has the main principle in the fourth principle, namely decision making based on the will of the people and led by wisdom in deliberation and based on the common sense and conscience. Next, the conclusion, there's 2 points from the question 1 and question 2. The question 1, there's to carry out simultaneous election and fair election, legislative candidates should be selected. Then the government choose legislative member, not the leader of political parties. So legislative candidate will listen more the opinion of the citizen, and the Indonesian state become more developed. The appropriate democracy for the 2029 election is Pancasila democracy. Pancasila democracy has the main principle, namely the fourth principle, decision making based on the will of people and led by wisdom in deliberation, so that wise figure will appear through the selection process. There is a suggestion based on the Based on the result of this research, the researcher tried to provide some suggestions for a government. The first is create election laws that are friendly to senior. Next, number 2, consider returning to Pancasila democracy by limiting presidential terms. 2. 3. Plan the implementation of democracy that are avoid division between nations. 4. Return the country to having an outline of state policy or TBHN for sustainable development. This is my bibliography from article 22 paragraph of the 1945 Constitution concerning general election, and next, law number 12 of 2003 concerning general election of DPR, DPD and DPRD explanation. Next, Muhammad Iqbal Fitsiasa, Contextualization of Islamic Political Doctrines, Jakarta, Peranada Media Group 2014. Next, Reducing Executive Power, Malang, UMM Press 2002. I think is enough for this presentation. I apologize when there were a mistake from the presentation that I convey. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.
Question 1. Why does the implementation of simultaneous election in Indonesia have to be global revealed?
In order Indonesia can be more developed and more peace, a good nation.
Question 2. How do you implement the principle of fair election in Indonesia?
To make a fair election, we must have an overflowing attitude to make it fair too.
Question 3. What kind of democracy has been implemented in Indonesia?
The first is parliamentary or liberal democracy, and there is the guided democracy and Pancasila democracy and information democracy.
Question 4. What are the advantages of holding simultaneous election in Indonesia?
By holding simultaneous election in Indonesia, it can reduce political conflicts and can make the political stability.